Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have BELKIN SoundForm Rise and I'm going to tell you how can easily pair them with your Android phone. At first we have to go into settings and here we have to go into connected devices. Now we have to tap on pair new device at the top and now we have to enter pairing mode with our headphones. To do so we have to open the case and take both the headphones out after entering pairing mode. To enter pairing mode we have to hold our fingers for the 3 seconds on our touch sensors when they are inside. 1, 2 and 3. Now as you can see we have SoundForm Rise, we have to tap on it in our available devices list and here pair. Now we are paired with our headphones. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.